Surely not. I hope you don't. If you don't, why are you being sensitive about?
We may, Mr. Dayal, you and I can discuss it on the television channel. I have no objection to it. But the objection comes, as a principal, is he allowed to write?
If you're not admitting to the definition of
impropriety on his behalf?
Sensitive?
That's the question.
The college principal is quite within his rights. In fact, he's morally bound to educate his students on the issues involved.
Siddharth Singh, why are you so insecure? Just wondering here, 1 second. Why are you so insecure? A university, it can be argued, is a forum for a free exchange of views. The principal, just to play the devil's advocate, the principal has made his views known in an official capacity. And he has made his political inclinations apparent. The students are not bound by his point of view, and this is a college, it's not a primary school. It's not a primary school.
That's an objection. That's an election code objection, that the principal or a professor of any university or any college cannot, or a government employee, cannot express his views for a political party. That is
not.
Then why were you supporting? My question goes back to the same issue. My question therefore is to the BJP. Once again, see the BJP has an answer to this.
I'm discussing the Gujarat model.
Okay.
The issue is, will we allow tomorrow that all the deans, all the professors come out and they start expressing and holding conferences or influencing the students?
By all means, let them state their position.
Are we going to allow that? That's the objection.
The easy question to ask.
I think we are undermining the intelligence of our students.
Yes, 1 second, Siddharth. Yes, Dr. Jadhav.
Well, in that case, then what is the need of the principal to even write?
Yeah, there was just one. There was one point I wanted to make, and that is, I'm here as a college teacher, and the point I wanted to make was that Mumbai students are not as politically active and maybe aware as students, say, in Delhi. So, you know, they definitely need a little bit of perspective. Mumbai is the financial capital of the country. So students here are more concerned with commerce, with finance, with business. That's their thing. So, you know, politics is a little bit away from their focus. Honestly, it's not like the Delhi students where people there are so very politically active.
No, I don't know.
And therefore, they needed a little bit of perspective.
Simple question, Dr. Jadhav. Dr. Jadhav, first of all, you're being extremely presumptuous about students. And by the way, my question to Dr. Jadhav is,
financial capital, why didn't he talk about the economy? Why didn't he talk about the fiscal deficit? Why didn't he talk about the unemployment? Why didn't he talk about the GDP?
Not writing a doctoral
thesis. If it is a financial capital and the students
he spoke about all those things in his comment.
It is implied. I think it's a brilliant letter.
Students here have other points of interest. They're not as politically strong as the students in Delhi, and they needed this little bit of, I wouldn't say guidance, but definitely perspective from their principal. And I think he was just doing his job, his duty.
No, the question, 1 second please. You know, by the way, I think Dr. Jadhav, with respect to you, I don't think Father Fraser spoke about anything apart from Gujarat. He did not speak about the riots in Uttar Pradesh. He did not speak about the riots in Rajasthan. He did not speak about the riots in his own state of Maharashtra. He did not speak about what happened in 1984 when 2,733 people, were killed in a matter of 3 days. He made no mention of inflation. He made no mention of food prices. Look at Ami Yagnik. She's so happy with this college principal. He said nothing about what has been happening across the entire country. So he's been totally selective. Ami Yagnik, you want to use a college principal for campaigning? How low the Congress will fall? You want to use a college principal for campaigning?
No, I'm not using anything. I respect all teachers of this country, and you look at the heading of the letter, the development debate, 2 perspectives are shown. And the students should know which are the 2 perspectives. And the principal has said that choose well. What lessons do we learn from this perspective?
Choose well?
No political action.
Choose well? Tell me one thing he said critical of the Congress party. Tell me one thing the principal said critical of the Congress party. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing the principal found critical of the Congress party.
I can tell you. I can tell you. Corruption still needs to be addressed.
There is no word of Congress.
Corruption still needs to be addressed.
1 sec, what do you say? Corruption still needs to be addressed? Did he say Congress led corruption?
He said that. He said that.
No, 1 second. Whose corruption?
All issues
corruption still needs to be addressed effectively.
One second. Corruption still.
So do not
Arnab,
put any attribute to
Mr.
any
Dayal,
party.
he tried to cover up the corruption issue by saying it is prevalent everywhere. He didn't talk
course
about
it
the
is
Congress
prevalent.
corruption.
Sure,
He has
he-
not said anything.
He has not talked about the BJP corruption or the
Yes,
Congress
yes, it
corruption.
is there
But he did
everywhere.
mention, it is in response to Arnav's point that he does not mention any other issue.
Is this
he
a
mentions corruption.
principle?
No,
First
it
of all,
is not. I don't know which way. I'm sorry, Mr. You know, the way you're reading the whole letter is let me say, has, it's a biased opinions you're expressing again and again. He talks about corruption, but he says, oh, the corruption is not an issue. It is prevalent everywhere. What
My
has he
dear
spoken
friend,
about the corruption?
Siddharth,
has
my
he
dear
spoken
friend,
about any
my-
other communal violences in the country?
My dear
No, no,
friend,
sir.
I
With
am
all due
as
respect
neutral
to
as
you.
you are. I am as neutral as you are. I am as biased
No,
as you are.
well, I don't think so. You can.
Are you neutral?
No, I'm not biased. I'm just saying.
You're not speaking
if
for
as
the
a
BJP?
Principal, he wanted an open debate. He should have expressed and allowed a debate to happen.
no,
in
He
the
so-
has
college
allowed a
and
debate to
put out
happen.
the
A
viewpoint
debate-
on the
a
economy,
debate
one
is
minute.
happening.
on
A debate is happening in the
communal
college.
Siddharth, a question for you now.
on various
Take my
policies.
question
in the
for you.
college.
Let the
A debate is
students
happening in the
decide.
nation. He has
Siddharth, a question
triggered
for you.
debate.
Siddharth, I have a question for Siddharth. Please listen. Please listen. Everyone, please listen. I'm sure Siddharth will answer this well. So, Siddharth, suppose somebody is watching tonight and saying, you know, Siddharth Nath Singh is making a strong argument that places which are not political and not allowed to be used for politics should not become centers of political activity, especially during an election. That is what you're saying, Siddharth. Am I correct? Understanding you correctly? That is your basic cut and thrust of your argument, right, Siddharth?
We both are agreement. Yep.
Then what is Baba Ramdev doing?
Baba Ramdev.
No, why you have no answer now?
Election Commission.
The
No, don't laugh. Don't laugh.
I'm not
Don't
laughing.
laugh.
John Dayal is
answering
laughing.
that. I'm answering
John
that.
Dayal
Don't
is
laugh.
laughing. I'm not laughing. John Dayal is
Mr.
laughing.
John Dayal can
And why-
laugh. Mr.
why should
John
I
Dayal
not
can
laugh?
laugh.
Why should I not
Mr.
laugh?
John Dayal can laugh.
Why
but-
should I not laugh?
No, go ahead. It's not an issue of laughing, but the issue is the answer is very simple.
I thought it was
If
hilarious.
It is a yoga class
I thought
he's
it was
doing,
hilarious.
That's a violation of election code. And if it is individually he's moving around and seeking a vote as an independent, then it's allowed. But during the yoga classes, it's an election code of conduct. That's a violation. And the election code of conduct,
No. 1 second. One minute. There you are on the wrong foot. The election commission. Siddharth, you are wrong. You are completely wrong. Siddharth, you are wrong. You are completely wrong. On Baba Ramdev, you have no answer. The Election Commission of India has rapped Baba Ramdev in the past for using yoga camps to stealthily support the BJP. In October last year, the Election
That's
Commission asked the
exactly what I'm saying. If it is being done,
asked
it's
the
a violation. What are you
BJP,
telling
allow
me?
me. Why are you speaking over me now?
I'm telling you that only.
You are scared of the
You
truth?
don't want to listen.
You don't want
have
to listen
only
to the
one viewpoint.
uncomfortable facts?
I'm telling you that is
You don't want to listen to the truth?
Code of conduct.
You-
I'm saying it's a violation. Why don't you want to hear it?
Then what do
Mr.
you want
Arnab
action
Goswami,
against
I'm
Baba
saying it's a
Ramdev?
violation. If you're doing in the yoga
So
classes.
is the BJP spokesperson asking for immediate action against Baba Ramdev? Are you asking for action against Baba Ramdev?
It's an election.
You are on
commission
record.
that needs to decide. I am no one to decide. But
Then-
as far as an individual is concerned,
So when Baba
he wants to
Ramdev,
support
so when
BJP
Baba
as an
Ramdev,
individual,
so
he's
when
right.
Baba
But if the
Ramdev
principal
organizes,
steps up as a
when
principal
Baba
and
Ramdev
wants to support
organizes
Congress,
a
he's
yoga,
in the right.
why aren't you listening? When Baba Ramdev organizes a yoga mahotsav in Delhi on March 23rd, sharing the stage with Narendra Modi, the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, is it or is it not a violation of the election code of conduct? And by being there, therefore, is Modi also helping Baba Ramdev violate the
Well,
model code of conduct? Is he doing that or not?
If
Yeah.
during there are two
And
things.
Baba
If the
Ramdev says, I will
election
go
code of
door to
conduct
door
is
to
on,
campaign against Sonia Gandhi and Uma Bharti. Is he violating the election code of conduct? Is that yoga?
that's
What form of
accepted.
yoga is
That's-
it?
No, that
What
is
form
not.
of yoga
That
is it?
Not. That is not.
Then
During
what
the
kind of yoga is this?
My God.
Political
Arnab,
yoga.
You must listen also. Learn to listen, yeah.
Is this political
Please,
yoga?
As a friend, I'm requesting, please. You have said your question.
Let a teacher. He should be called a politician.
Arnab,
He should not be called
if he
a
is
teacher.
called the yoga classes, and during that, if it is a political messaging,
Acha,
that
ek second.
is election code of conduct
I have two
violation.
questions sent to
But
us
if
from
an
viewers.
individual
Anmol Soin
who goes out and canvas, there's
on
nothing
Twitter.
wrong in it.
I'll take 10 seconds on Twitter. Viewers are sending us very short questions. I'm going to carry two now.
The principal's email was an opinion, not a diktat. Are we assuming that the young voter is not smart enough to decide what to vote for?
Is it appropriate for the principal of an educational institution to be using his official position to influence the young voter?
Well, those are two questions. We're going to carry many. There, Siddharth, you had no answer for that question. When it comes to Baba Ramdev, his political yoga is fine.
Well,
That's hypocrisy again, double standards. Of
I
the
never said
extreme
that
kind.
again. Again, you are putting words in my mouth. Mr. Arnab Goswami, I never said it. I hope you will try to be reasonable and not to mince words of others who are on your debate channel.
One second. What was
And that
Rahul
will be
Ishwar?
the
What
right
were you
way to go
complaining
about
about?
it.
Arnabji, there's a huge point of difference.
What's
if
the difference?
any Hindu guru goes to a college or if he owns a college and sends a mail like this, it is not right. But here, St. Xavier's is a pride of India. It's a hugely esteemed, institution of India. Here, where people from many religion or many political parties are studying there.
So,
It is not
okay,
about
education
communalism.
institution. My last
It's
question.
Political
What is this
education.
argument?
Misuse of his
No, one second. Baba Ramdev backs a political party. His trust runs a university called University of Patanjali. Won't his open backing influence those who study at the university? Shri Ravi Shankar praises Narendra Modi. His own website says there are 383 schools catering to 32,975 students run by the Art of Living. Will they not be influenced? Some of them who are
Won't
of the age of
Congress
18 be
cry
influenced?
foul? Yeah, well, my
That's
question
okay.
is, won't the Congress cry foul if an email is sent like this to the parents and students, either by Sri Ravi Shankar or by Baba Ramdev? And John Dayal I think we should appreciate Sri John Dayal for telling what he did. He's saying he's...
Ami Yagnik, last word. Ami Yagnik, quickly.
I think
Ami Yagnik, quickly.
Professor would-
Please don't communalize and politicize.
Ami Yagnik only.
Everybody as an
would
individual
not be doing his
in their
duty
own
if he
right
did not educate his students.
can support a
Ami
party
Yagnik.
or support a
Can
view.
I, Arnav?
Only Ami Yagnik, then we are closing.
As a
I just think
head of
we're
the institution
undermining
telling
the
their
intelligence of our
Distinction
students.
between
what to do.
teachers, academicians, researchers, and the spiritual leaders.
You mixed
Let
it up.
us not mix the two.
You mixed it
Here
up,
is an
Ami Yagnik. You
academician,
mixed
is
it
a
up by
doctor,
supporting
is a
Father
principal.
Fraser Mascarenhas
No,
today.
not at all.
Mumbai
No,
goes
no,
to
no,
vote
no,
tomorrow.
not
My
at all.
question to all the
It is a
viewers is,
mandate
has Father
for the
Mascarenhas crossed the line?
The students are
He is-
given some
And does the BJP have the moral position to question Father Fraser Mascarenhas? And why is the government of Maharashtra, why is the election commission quiet? Why is the election commission quiet on everything these days? That's a bigger question. Thank you very much for joining me on debate number 1 on the News Hour tonight.